this is Leah with Leah Living Life Collection, where living your best life starts with your nails. Today we will be doing an encapsulated flower and chunky glitter nail with dip color 0211 Peach Fuzz. You will find a complete list of the items that you will need to complete this manicure in the video description. And as you can see, I've already done my right hand. The encapsulated flower is such a pretty look. It really brings your dip manicure to the next level. Okay, my left hand is ready for dip application. I've already sanitized, pushed back the cuticles, and buffed my nail plate to get rid of the cuticle and shine. If you need instructions on prepping your nails for dip application, please refer back to the basic dip tutorial. As always, we'll start with the number 1 bonder across all the nail plates, and then we'll jump right into the gel base number 2 for the first layer of our dip color, which is number 0211 Peach Fuzz. And we're just gonna do all the fingers except the pointing finger, okay, because that's where the flower is gonna go. Okay, always dust off. And for the second layer of dip color, we are gonna do just the thumb, the middle finger, and the pinky. With the second layer, I always check to see if I've missed any spots, especially around the cuticles and the side of the nails. And if you do miss a spot, just make sure that you cover it with the base gel so that when you dip, the color will cover it. Okay, the last layer for those 3 nails is the clear dip powder, and I always do that just to seal my work. Here comes the fun part. For our ring finger, which has 1 layer of color on it, we're going to use the number 3 glitter from the Mermaid Glitter Set. We're going to apply number 2 base and then just sprinkle the glitter with a tweezer. I like to use it because it kind of gives me more control of where I need to put the glitter. And then just pat down so that the glitter lays flat on your nails and dust off the excess. Reapply the gel base number 2. Be generous with the product and gently dab the product on top of the glitters, and then use your brush to gently spread the product on your nails without brushing off the glitters. Use the tip of the tweezer to grab more glitter and place the glitter where you want it so that your nail is evenly covered in glitter. And then once again, pat down and dip it into the clear powder. Okay, we're going to add another layer of clear powder. The nail may seem a little thicker than usual, but that's okay. We need that extra layer to even out the surface of the glitter nail. We'll file and shape it later. Moving on to the encapsulated flower nail, we will start with base number 2 for a thin layer of the clear dip powder. Especially because glitter is hard to soak off, That layer will help protect my nail when it comes time to soaking off the glitter. After dusting, we'll repeat base number 2 and dust the glitter on the nail around the cuticles and sides. I've already decided that I'm going to put the flower off center towards the tip and to the left, so I will avoid putting glitter on that space. Once I'm happy with the placement of the glitters, I'm just going to reapply base number 2 to the area where I want to put the flower. I'll be using this coral flower from the flower wheel. It matches my color perfectly and provides a nice contrast to the gold glitter. I'm just gonna put it on there with my tweezer. On the bottom side of the flower, there is a small stem that won't let the flower sit flat on the nail. With the tweezer, carefully maneuver the petals and press them into the glue. It may take a few tries to get it, but you can do it. And if it looks like the flower is not sticking, you can add a little bit more of the base number 2 onto the flower. Once you are happy with the placement, apply base number 2 by dabbing the product onto the flower, just like when we did the glitter nails. Now dip into the clear powder and pat down with your finger. Reapply base number 2 and add glitter to the areas that need more. Pat down and then dip into the clear powder. After dusting, repeat the clear layer twice. Remember, it might look bulky, but we need those extra layers to smooth out the surface and to protect our hard work when we go back to file and shape the nails. Now apply the number 3 activator to harden the nails. You might want to repeat this process twice. When filing, make sure to push your skin down and away from the nail. This way you don't cut yourself and you get a nice clean line. It would also prevent lifting too, so your manicure will last longer. When I say shape your nails, this is what I mean. You want to focus filing on the sides and the cuticle area to create a nice slender shape. After you file your nails, buff them if needed, dust them real good, and then apply the UV gel base coat and cure for 1 minute. Apply the UV gel top coat and cure inside the lamp for 1 minute. Then you're done. There you have it. This is definitely not an ordinary dip manicure. This encapsulated flower is just so beautiful, with the glitter sparkling in the background and reflecting the color off your other nails. If you know anyone who would like to try encapsulating flower with dip powder, you're welcome to share this video. Thank you.